Hata kuna wale na baba Zimbabwe. Azimutele mlikuni.
From our farmers and other productive sectors of the provincial economy, I applaud your resilience. Ladies and gentlemen, agriculture remains a key pillar for our economic growth, providing food security, employment, and income for millions of people across Manicaland. This agricultural show therefore offers a platform for knowledge exchange, networking, and business opportunities that will strengthen the agricultural sector, not only in Manicaland, but across the entire country. Earlier this month, Zimbabwe and China signed a new agricultural protocol that grants our country access to the huge Chinese market. We must seize these opportunities and continue to innovate so as to ensure our province becomes a hub of horticultural agricultural development for the benefit of our community. A shining example of innovation and progress is the recent commissioning of the juicy processing plant at Mutare Teachers College by His Excellency the President, Dr. E.D. Mugadza. The plant is a game changer, allowing us to process our indigenous fruits into juicy and other products, and thus creating employment for our people. If you want Komoyo juice, visit Mutare Teachers College or any of our outlets in Mutare. This value addition model is now being replicated across all sectors in Manicaland. To this end, universities and other institutions of higher learning have a critical role to play in research and development via their innovation hubs. I must say I was very impressed and very happy to see a lot of products that are displayed at this agricultural show that have come as a result of value addition. You may not know that we already have avocado oil from a plant that we have in Mutare here. We are calling that kumatso oil. You may also not know that in Wode Valley, some, whilst we are waiting for a big plant that's coming, are already producing flour from bananas, oil from bananas and chips. I've told people that that will be called yayo flour, yayo chips, yayo oil. Let me say something about the oil that comes from the banana bag or the shell of the banana. This oil, I'm told, if you apply it on your face, you will simply not get any wrinkles. That means you will not age. Very soon there will be no chamber in Manicaland, only girls. Let us develop new technologies and practices that will aid in increasing productivity and capacity utilization for across all sectors. As government, we are committed to continue facilitating the ease of doing business, and plans to upgrade the Forbes border posts are at an advanced stage. The Minister of Transport and Infrastructural Development is also finalizing processes for the construction of an airport in Mutasa district.